If you're remodeling your bathroom, then I recommend ditching the typical undermount or drop-in sinks and getting these vessel sinks from Kichae instead. I'm Gracie with WTI, and these instantly make a statement the moment you walk into the bathroom and give off that clean, modern, and elevated vibe. They're made out of ceramic and they've definitely got some weight to them. We could instantly tell that they were super strong and durable, and they're scratch resistant. We've got hard well water, so you can see all these water spots that it leaves, but I love how easy these sinks are to clean. They have a really smooth baked on glaze finish. They're not porous or overly shiny, but honestly looks really custom and high end. We got the 24 by 16 inch size, and it's really spacious for everyday use. And since it's a rectangular shape, I was worried that the water would just sit there, but the sink is sloped, so all the water naturally just goes in the center to drain. We absolutely love these sinks and feel like they add so much character to our bathroom, and that's our point of view.